we are going to create this simple menu hover effect. So as you can see on your screen, when I hover the list item, then there have been a enlarge in that particular anchor tag, and other element of that list become blur. So we are going to create this effect in the code editor, where I have index.html and style.css written nothing. Here in this putting the Zen coding, and after giving, I am giving the title that menu hover effect, and after the title I want to link my CSS file here. Now in the body put the unordered list of list item having the anchor tag linked to nothing, and giving the heading that home, then service, all the things that your website require the links. Here the contact, then about, then links. So these are my means that they are the links. And here let's open with the code editor, or I am opening with the live server. So as you can see the preview, all the unordered list has been display here in this style.css, putting the body margin 0, padding 0, font family sans serif as you can see, and then uh, background is white. By default it is white, you can put it or it is not necessary. Here I am giving the display flags and align item center and justify content center, so that the another list will become at the center of the page. Here the position is absolute, transform absolute, top 50, left 50 percentile, and then after it I am giving the transform of translate minus 50% and minus 50%, so that the text will be at the center. So as you can see the preview, now I want to create this thing in a row. So giving the UL display flags, after giving display flags, as you can see the preview, then after it I want to remove the dots. So list item, here the list style is none, so that and margin left or margin right, as you can see pixel 30 pixels. So as you can see the preview that we have gotten here. After in this ULLI anchor tag, here in this text transformation, text decoration is none, and sorry for that. Then after it you are putting the color 0 means black by default. So as you can, by default it is blue of the links, so we have removed the color to the black. Position is relative, you will later know the reason that why I have put in the position relative, because I want to relate all the animation to this anchor tag. So text transformation was capitalized and ULLI. Then in this creating a before class. So in this before class, position is absolute, content is nil. So top is 0, left is 0, and after that width is 50% and height is 50 pixel, and then after it you have to put the content nil. So as you can see there is nothing. Now we have to put the background of, you can choose any color of your own choice. So I'm uh, scrolling it down, something sky blue, or I have chosen the sky blue, but it do not look so much better. So I am putting this width to 10 per pixel. So this have been a shorten. Now there have been some problem related to that. We have to put it to the bottom. Now there have been some error, so cut this part. And after saving, as you can see this image, this square box has been come to this, but I want to give some padding so that the content will be shipped, and this will box will come to exact at the below of our text. So this do not work, so put it in the ULLI. So as you can see the preview, now reduce the padding 5 pixel. As you can see all the content has been at the center. So put this color to neon color so that it will be more attractive, or depend upon your choice you can put it. Now in this ULLI I want to hover the li, then anchor of before become width is, I want to align the width will be initially it was 50%, so means it is half, and then cutting to that I am giving initially it is 10 pixel, and then when I hover then it become 50%. So as you can see, but there have been not a transition, so put a transition of 0.5 seconds, so there have been a delay of 0.5 second and it will look pretty nice. So here in this transform of translate x 100%, so as you can see, when I hover then there have been a change in the order. So here in this I want to give the text align center, and after this is the result that we are going to see. But there have been no scale and no large effect, so we are going to create this also. Remember that point. And here I am giving the opacity is 0 and opacity 1 to this. So as you can see, when I hover then only the underlined text has been appear. So after this 46 line, here the UL, when I hover the UL then LI will become opacity of 0.2 and filter of blur 2 pixel or 2 pixel. And then as you can see, but our actual content is also have been in the blur. So to remove it, just cut it down here in the li, put the hover glass and put the opacity 1 and blur 0 pixel. So after this, as you can see the preview, this look pretty nice and actually very close to our result that we want. And here in this I am putting the transform scale 1.3. You can adjust it if you want to enlarge the size. Here transition is 0.5 seconds. So after saving it, as you can see the preview, it takes some time and the content in this has been enlarged when when I hover them. So thanks for watching. Please do the practical because this is not easy.